Cut the plastic tie and unlock the wooden crate. Open the top lid of the crate till you'll see the machine inside. The printer's accessories and roll film rollers are placed inside. Open the machine's cover to remove the accessories. Peel off the blue tape. These are all the machine's components. First, cut the tie used to secure the belt and prevent movement. Hang the cutter tray at the front of the machine and secure it with a cross screwdriver. Use screws to fix the holder on the left. Tighten it with the hexagonal screwdriver. Do the same on the other side. Pass the two rods through the holes. Install the left knobs. Install the film roller. Install the right motor. Ensure the motor side is installed on the right. Loosen the screws, and remove the film bracket clips secured on the holder. The gray film is A film, installed at the back of the machine. The blue film is B film, installed at the front of the machine. First, install the knob for B film. Insert the black plugs into both ends of the B film. Loosen the screws. Pass the metal rod through the center, and attach the metal bracket clips at both ends. Ensure the rod doesn't protrude from either end. Place the installed B film onto the machine. Then install the knob for A film. Insert the black plugs into both ends of A film. Loosen the screws, pass the metal rod through the center, and attach the metal bracket clips at both ends. Ensure the rod doesn't protrude from either end. Put on the A film. Power on the machine and test its performance. Open the left side panel of the machine. Rotate the button to the right to lift the lamination heating bar. There are 3 settings: position 1 for printing, position 2 for adjustments, and position 3 for free passage. Pass B film through the lamination heating bar, pull the film tight, and set the mode to position 2. Feed it into the machine and pass it through the 2 rods. Pass the A film through the black rod. Put the A film under the B film. Press the paper feed button at the front of the machine to feed both A and B films together. Pull the protective film of A film back and secure it to the paper roll. Turn on the motor, ensuring the protective film is being wound tightly. Adjust the knob next to the motor to ensure appropriate winding tension. If the tension is too low, the protective film may not be wound in time. If the tension is too high, a film may lift inside the machine. Pull out the laminated A and B films from the front of the machine. Note, before adding ink, ensure the machine is powered on, and both A and B films are properly installed. Open the cover of the ink compartment. Add the corresponding ink colors: white, varnish, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Power on the machine and wait for it to start. Click the left arrow button on the machine to move the ink cartridge to the center position for easy ink extraction. Extract 3 to 5 milliliters of ink from each ink cartridge. Adjust the UV lamp power using the adjustment knob. Press the X reset button on the control panel to move the printhead to the rightmost position. Extract ink from the waste ink tube at the back of the machine to fill the ink path. Connect the printer's data cable to the computer via the Ethernet adapter. Plug in the provided white USB drive. Install the control and RIP software on the computer. Open the machine's control software, PrintEXP, and first enable the flash function. When shutting down the printer, remember to turn off the flash function before disconnecting the power. Click the Check button in PrintEXP or the Test button on the printer to print the printhead status test image. When you see all the color lines clearly and continuously without any breaks, it indicates that the printhead is in good condition. Then install the printer stand. Take all the parts for the stand from the box. First, install the H-shaped stand. Note that the L on the H-shaped stand should match the L on the base, and the R should correspond similarly. Use screws to secure it. Next, install the 2 metal plates onto the stand to connect and secure the printer. Ensure that the metal plates extend inward and align with both sides. Then, install the waste ink bottle bracket and secure it with screws. Once the printer stand is assembled, place the printer onto it. Secure the bottom screws. Next, install the film Takeup motor. The assembly of the Takeup motor is similar to that of the A-film protective motor. Tighten 8 screws to secure it. Note that the side with the motor should be on the left. Ensure that the Takeup roller is aligned with the B-film above it. Connect the motor's power supply to the printer. Turn on the printer. Press and hold the forward button to move the sticker out until it can be attached to the roller. Use tape to secure it to the roller. Press the Takeup motor mode button to tighten the sticker. Test the Takeup motor by feeding paper to ensure it works correctly. Adjust the knob next to the motor to control the tension of the Takeup. The installation process is complete.